Site where the former President Muhammadu Buhari will be laid to rest. As you can see, the digging of the grave has commenced by members of this community suspected to be close relatives or family members. Entrance into this premises is strictly by a very tight screening, but we could let our viewers know that he will be buried right here in his house. So these are just other pictures of the environment of his house where he will be buried. It will be in a garden not very far from the main building, his house. From information we have gathered, his body will soon arrive in about 6 hours, and they will proceed to the prayer ground shortly after he would be laid to rest here in his house in Daura.